In this video, we'll start a screens window. The screens are shown in the table. The first column contains the screen name. The second column contains the screen type, general or pop-up. To create new screen, click right button on the window and choose appropriate menu item for the context menu. To open screen for designing, choose appropriate menu item in the context menu. Also, you can do it by double-clicking on the screen you want to open. To copy and delete screen, click appropriate menu items. To change properties of the screen, click appropriate menu item. You can change properties you want, background color for example. If you want to group screens in your project, right-click on the window and choose New Screen Group menu item. Enter group name. To create subgroup, right-click on the group name and choose New Screen Subgroup. Enter name of the subgroup. Now you can place your screens in the group and subgroups by using appropriate menu item and by drag and drop your screen. Organizing screens like this is useful in complex projects. You can export screen by choosing appropriate menu item. Screen will be saved in the file with this extension. You can import screen to your other project by using appropriate menu item. Thank you for watching.